according to your time zone. If today is the first time of you coming across this channel, please subscribe to Ever Smiley TV. Press the icon bell beside it so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. I welcome you to Ever Smiley Kitchen, Ever Smiley TV, Ever Smiley Studio, Ever Smiley Workshop. On this channel, we do a lot with DIY. On this channel, we teach people how to do things themselves. We educate people as well. We bring people for interview at the studio. Thank you very much, my subscribers, for being there right from the beginning. And I will thank my returnees. God bless you. And I will also thank my future subscribers. Thank you very much. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like our video. Don't forget to comment on our video. And also, don't forget to share our video. We want to hear, we want to learn more. So, guys, today, I'm going to be showing you how to install wallpaper on your sitting room, kitchen, bedroom, and wherever you want to install your wallpaper. As I said, on this channel, we do things ourselves. We learn how to install things ourselves. So, guys, follow me as I take you through on how to install wallpaper in your house. Let's go. So, guys, we're about to start our wallpaper. So this is my wall. So I've already peeled off the former wallpaper. So this is a new one. I'm about to install a new wallpaper. And guys, there are two types. So there are wallpaper that you need to put a gum first. You put a gum first before placing the wallpaper. But this one that I'm using is the easier way. This one is easy because it comes with sticker already. It's already sticky already. So you don't need to go buy your gum. So the first one I made was with a gum. But this one is so easy that you can do it yourself. Easy for a beginner. This is my spatula to avoid bubbles. And also you need a cutter, a sharp cutter, so you can give it a nice cut. Let's go, guys. So I'm going to peel off my already made wallpaper, guys. And also, before I forget, you need 4 things. You need this, and you need a ladder. As I said, on this channel, we do things our way, guys. Do it yourself. In the absence of a ladder, use what you have. A falta de pan, bueno son patatas. It's an adage in Spanish. So my dining chair today is my ladder. So let's go. So as you can see, guys, it already comes sticky. So that's why you got this paper. So all you need to do is peel off this paper and make sure your wallpaper is installed neatly. Okay, so if you have not watched the former one, that's for professionals. The one I did before was for professionals, but this is new. So let's go. Let's see what we can do today as beginners. Let's go. So guys, don't worry about this one. We're going to trim it off very soon. When you can't stand this one, you need to take it off. So guys, this is where you need your cutter. You need to cut very neatly. So guys, now I'm going to take off the edges. So guys, that is our first batch. Is it not beautiful? So let's go with the second batch with our ladder. So as I said, if you don't need this one, if you know you cannot stand it, take it off. So guys, when you place in the second batch, don't place it on top of this, no. Place it side by side, okay? So guys, when you have a cut like this at the bottom, it normally happens at the bottom when you try to trim off the excess. So don't worry, all you need to do, take this one higher. So this one I'm going to be placing it here so I can trim it off, so everything will go as planned and neat. So I'm going to be placing it here. Guys, always make sure you use your spatula to avoid bubbles, so to give it that neatness. So now we're going to be taking off this excess because we don't need it. Guys, you see, be careful not to give space. Did you see there's a loop there? So we don't need that. So this is where the job is, okay? But don't worry, it's not stressful. So you need to avoid the loops. You don't want like it need to be like this, no. So we need to try as much as possible, because sometimes it does not come straight, no. Sometimes along the way it just gets twisted, but don't worry. So there's always a way to fix it. So that's why you try as much as possible to pega it closely. Pega it a mano. And guys, if you've tried and you are not able to close it, that loop there. So there's also a way to close it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you these tactics now. So guys, as you can see, I've tried. Here is okay, everything is okay, but here there's an issue here. So depends on the cut. As you can see, this one, if you measure, you see here to here got here, but here to here got here. You see, so this weight here to here is wider than here. So let's go. Guys, avoid lumps. How would they know? Nobody will know. Only you will know. So let's go. And guys, how will they not know is you being careful. Now you see this design is here. So anything you are using, don't use it again there. Because you see, this is a plane and a plane beside it. So there's no design with it. So don't use a design. If I use a design here, so people will know. Is it? People definitely will know. So this side is slimmer and this side is wider. So I'll use it. So guys, now I'm going to be showing you how to do your edges, the edge. Okay, so we climb our ladder. So as I said, this ones, don't worry, because we're going to take it off to keep it neat.
And white gloves.
Wow, guys, thank you for watching. Can you see how beautiful it turns out? Can you check the upper side of it? Check the socket side and the down side of it. Everything is well cut and beautiful. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to always do it yourself. You can do it. Not every time we spend money, we can do it. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe. Press that notification bell so you see more video like this. Bye.